Hey everyone, I've just got the new 118 here, 1 Series BMW, and they have changed this completely. When I say the front grille, as you can see yourself, it just look real mean. That's the new 1 Series, and the interior's changed completely. It's got the nice diamond cut wheels. It's got 17-inch wheels on there. You can see here, and this is the sports model as well. You see the view with the exhaust and the bottom trim. It's the 118i. Let's just show you the interior. And you can see it's got a lot of space in the back now. Better than obviously the older 1 Series. The older 1 Series weren't as good, but this one here, it is just so beautiful. As you can see the cockpit as well. This is brand spanking new car. It's for my sister. Here as well. Now you can see the leg room is just immense. I mean, it's just so good now. These new 1 Series are lovely. Even the display there as well, just right there. Got the display. The gear knob is different as well, so you got all the menus, the start button, and the seats are just beautiful. Yeah, sports as well. So that's it. That's the new 1 Series for you guys to have a look at. The interior, the exterior as well at the same time. But I just love the front of it. It is as mean as you can get.